So yeah, I have the stick vacuum from Brocvas. I was going through all the frequently asked questions. I'm going to answer them for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The first question I was seeing is how many filters does it come with? So it comes with one filter and you can easily remove it. Right now I have it assembled. All you need to do is click the button right there on the vacuum and you can easily remove the filter if you ever need to replace it. And I do believe the company sells those as well, so you can easily get a new one, but it is just a standard vacuum filter. The second question was, how hard is it to, assemble and deassemble? It's super easy. As you can see there, I basically just took it apart. And then as for the head, you can easily remove that too if you want to, just use it as more a kitchen type vacuum or something into a smaller place. It'll lock right back into place, and you can even take the handle off too. All you got to do is flip this down and remove the handle, and now it's just kind of your standard smaller vacuum. And to put it back together, it's the same thing. The only thing you actually have to assemble is the handle. There's 4 screws, and they give you the 4 screws and the screwdriver to do it, but it basically snaps into place. So you really just got to screw 4 screws in there. It took me less than a minute to do. It was super easy to put the whole thing together. And then the final question I was seeing was, how loud is this? So it has what's called a bass noise reduction, so that does make it a little bit quieter. But in the end, it is a vacuum, so it's definitely still making noise. If somebody's sleeping on the couch and you're vacuuming right next to their head, they're probably going to hear it and wake up. But it's nothing any different from like any other vacuum. It's going to make a little bit of noise when you're using it. But overall, this is a super affordable vacuum. It gets the job done. You can easily take it apart, put it back together, use it whatever you have to do. It'd be perfect for like any small apartment. Maybe keep one in your office or a smaller home where you don't have large amounts of carpet. It's going to work perfect for that, and you can't beat the price. So for me, I'm super happy with it. It's doing the job. 2 thumbs up.